Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a hands-on and I guess a review, or just basically how to use like a Chromebook or a Google Chrome OS. This is a HP Chromebook that I have, and I'll post a video because I did an unboxing on this one previously. But here you see the USB Type-C. That's where you charge it. It's on the left hand side. It has a USB regular, and on the other side you can see that it has like for a headset, the micro SD cards, another USB, and then also a USB Type-C. So you have two of them, and I believe that you could actually charge, because you see how it has the charging symbol on this side, and that's on the left. And then this one, if you can see, it also has it on the right. So the right on the left, it has the USB Type-C, so you could charge it either side, and you could actually use the I believe the connections as well. So let me go ahead and just pop it open. So here, to turn on the Chromebook, you see how it turns on. You just open it and it gives you that symbol, but also it has the power button here. And then this is the keyboard layout. It's kind of very similar to like a Windows laptop layout. The only thing is you're missing, of course, the Windows logon key or whatever, the Windows button, and some other things. But at the bottom, I already have like 2 accounts set up here, but you could actually use, this is the scroll pad for the mouse, so to speak. You could actually plug in a mouse also wireless if you wanted to, but you could browse as a guest, or you could add a person, so like add an account. So if you click on it, you just press once on the, okay, so you just touch once on the touchpad, and I clicked on the one to set up a new user account or whatever, but it'll ask you for your Gmail, so you have to have a Gmail account in order to do this. So you could actually go back, let me see, go back on this. So you click once, and then you could actually just do browse as a guest as well. And when you click browse as a guest, it'll let you get on straight, so just browsing the internet only. I don't think it lets you download anything. Let me close this out. Yeah, it'll just give you that one option to browse using the Google Chrome web browser. And then this button here, I'm guessing it's kind of like the Windows key. When you press on it once, it'll give you more options, like you can search files, settings, explore, whatever. Let me see if it gives you more options here. No, it just makes it bigger. Okay, just escape to get out of it. Let me see what happens. I'm just gonna turn it off. Okay, yeah, you press the button once and it tells you, gives you the options. I don't know if you can see here. You can power off, exit as guest, or provide feedback. I'm just gonna exit because I don't want to get on there. I'm actually gonna get on as a regular user account, and I already set one up, so I'm just gonna log on. Okay, and I just entered the Gmail account and then also the password, and it's just gonna set everything up for you. Okay, and it lets you know that you were successful, you're signed in, and you can review the sync options or whatever. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna go ahead and accept and continue. Like I said, you just click on once here. More stuff, blah, blah, blah. Click on that. Okay, click on that, just accept it. Okay, and it's asking if you want to install stuff from your other devices, and I actually want this one here because I'm going to be doing the screen sharing, so it'll be a little bit nicer to show a couple of things. And then just install and continue. You could also skip it. And then just continue setup. Meet your Google Assistant. Yeah, it's the Hey Google thing or whatever. Just if you want to turn it on or whatever. No. I agree. And do it later. Done. Connect to your phone. And for now, I'm going to say no thanks. And get started. So let me go ahead and switch to the actual screen so you can see a little bit better instead of doing it by phone. Okay, so this is the main screen of the Google Chrome OS, and if you look down here at the bottom, you have of course the time, the date, the battery life, tells you how much is left, and then also Wi-Fi. If you click on Wi-Fi, it gives you more options. And you can do a bunch of stuff here, like the sound, and then these are additional settings. That's brightness. Settings are up here. And then you can also make it smaller, make it bigger. Check what's in the settings. I'm actually new Google Chrome OS myself. I have all Windows 10 PCs, but I got these for my kids. Okay, I'm just going to continue the video just doing it with my phone because the app that I downloaded, the Mobizen, it works great on my Android phone. But for some reason it keeps on crashing the Chrome OS. So this is the main screen here. And on the bottom you have that Google Chrome, that's for web browsing, the Gmail, for of course your emails. These are for docs. These are, I guess, stuff that you save. I'm guessing this uses the Google Drive or something that's online. Because a lot of the times the Chromebooks don't have a lot of storage. They base themselves on saving to the web or the cloud or whatever. And that's where everything is stored. It has YouTube as well, and then also the Play Store. So you could download stuff from here. And it's kind of very similar to Android, but like I said, I use Mobizen. It's a screen sharing app where you could actually record what's on your screen. But here on Google Chrome, it keeps on crashing, so it's not very good, I guess, going back and forth from Android to Chrome. And let me see, because I don't know where it crashed. I have to check the video, but on the bottom, like I said, it gives you notifications. You can have settings, and these are where you have all your settings set up for the network, the Bluetooth, connected devices. You could do personalization, all the apps that are installed or whatever. You can search and assistant, I guess the Hey Google thing or whatever. Let's see. And then this one down here, this is just, I guess, kind of like a start menu, like from Windows. And it shows where you could, search for something. It gives you, I guess, the apps that you have installed also, like I have Mobizen, Chrome, the Play Store, Docs. This is where you're going to have your files. And if you want to play music, so you can make it bigger. Then if you just press escape, you get out of that. And like I said, I'm new to Chrome OS myself. I primarily use Windows 10 PCs. I'll go ahead and do like a video of Windows 10 PCs as well. Let me see what else. Yeah, I guess this is just like a very simple laptop, or not really a laptop, but I guess like a easier to use, I guess, or simple to use if you just want to use it for browsing Gmail, or like a lot of the kids are doing Google Classroom now, Google Meets and all that stuff. But it's very simplified. I personally prefer Windows 10 PCs or laptops because the functionality is way more, and you could do everything Google does as well on the Windows 10. But I hope this helps. I'm trying to, I guess, figure out how to use like a Chromebook. Go ahead and leave your comments below. Like it, dislike it, or give me tips of what you want me to change. I would have preferred to do the screen sharing because it'll look a lot cleaner, but it just kept on crashing on the Chromebook. It works perfect on Android phones for some reason, but not on the Chromebooks. And then also, of course, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you very much.